Will you stop using pivot tables and use Microsoft's brand new function instead? In this short video, we'll run through how to use this new function and make sure you watch until the end where I'll show you one huge benefit of using it over pivot tables.
Say you want to get the sum of the quantity by product and category. Well, of course, you could create a pivot table for this, but Microsoft have recently released a couple of new functions, one of which is PIVOTBY, which allows you to create the look of a pivot table but using formula. The first thing you'll notice is there are a lot of arguments available, but don't let that put you off, as most are optional, as you can tell by them being in square brackets. To get what we need, we only need to use the first four. The row fields are the categories you want to see in each row, and for this I'll select the product column from the table. Second is the column fields. For this one, I'll select the category column. The next argument is values, which is simply the column we want to perform the calculation on, which is our quantity column. Our last required argument is the function we want to perform on that values column, which there are lots to choose from. But for this example, I'll keep it simple and select sum. Press enter and there you go. Virtually the exact same output as you'd get from using a pivot table. Of course, as this is a formula, it updates automatically when any data changes. This is particularly handy if you create tables using Power Query, as usually you'd need to refresh your data twice, as pivot tables refresh quicker than the queries.
Well, what are your thoughts on this new function? At the time of recording, it's only available to Office 365 insiders, but if you want to join for free, click on the link to watch that video next. If you want to download this example workbook for free, follow the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.